This is Sports Soccer 345. Please watch this video to the end.
People, this is my grandfather, my great-grandfather. We are 100. For him wife. Him can't take it. Right now, my grandfather can't do no interview because him break down.
Yes,
right now, we don't know what to do. He lost everything. Everything lost.
everything,
Cocoa
every
walk.
money, everything. Gone.
All money, them say gone.
Doctor
Mr.
money,
Hounjo
we have to go
Wellness,
to doctor.
if you're watching this, if this reach all boat, I'm asking you for help for the people them in Beeson Spring, Cocoa Walk, Petersville. Mama lose everything. Papa lose everything. 5 house in a community right here and everything flat. So I'm asking you, please assist them. Make them get a little shelter.
If I even one room.
If I want one room,
If we
Mama
going
asks
there,
you,
do.
water. You understand? Water. If I want one room, we are begging you, please. Mama need help. Medication. No truck, nothing, no car can come right around us up. No car can come around us up.
I only
So-
walk foot.
Walk foot. If you can get a first aid for anybody who will watch this, assist Mama. Cocoa Walk, Beeson Spring, Bag, Petersville. I'm asking you for help. Show them around here. Show them how gone.
5 apartment gone with dear.
5 apartment.
5.
Yeah, people, please, beg on our support. Please and thanks. Beg on our support. If I want one room, make us see if we can get it. Thank you.